Hi there. So I'm going to show you how to take a discussion board and be able to use it in a mastery path. Um, so I have some mastery paths set up. I'm going to look at one specific discussion. So when you click on the discussion, um, and you've set it up how you want it, you can put your prompts, your whatever you need in the rich content editor. When you edit, this is the rich content editor where you can put your prompts and things like that. But down here where it says assign to, you want to make sure that this is assigned specifically to mastery paths, not to everyone or any of your custom sections. You want to assign it to mastery paths. This will help ensure that it will show up in the mastery path the way that you want it to when you're setting it up. And then it will only be graded as part of the mastery path, and it won't be available to